Hi everybody, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really cool room divider curtain with a bendable track. This is going to be amazing. Thank you guys for sending it. This actually came with two extremely heavy, large curtains. This whole thing is going to be 196 by 84, so it's 196 inches long, which is going to span the entire length of this. And these two separate heavy-duty blackout curtains, that's going to be amazing. This is the track they send here. It's a one-piece track, so I'm going to mount that to the ceiling. That's going to be flexible, allow you to do that. They also send you with all the hardware that you need, including these little magnetic ties, which is a really cool idea. So that actually can go around the edge of the curtains, magnet together to hold them all in place. So everything we need, let's go ahead and get the rest of this stuff out of the box and I'll start mounting the track. And mounting this track on the ceiling, they actually provide you with these little snap-in-place hooks, which is going to make snapping that track in the very end really great. And since it is flexible, you can kind of put them however you want. In our particular case, we're going to actually driving it right into a wooden stud directly behind this sheetrock. They do provide you with anchors. If you did not have that, you basically are just going to space these out, line them up exactly where you want to have them on the ceiling, and then just drive them in with this. And that'll lock those in place. We'll get it adjusted, and then I'm going to go ahead and space them out about a foot apart. I'm going to be spanning this across about 15 feet. So we'll space them out and get them lined up. So I've got those anchors up there, measured out my wall. It was just a tad long, so I cut it with a pair of 10 snips, which is great because you can customize this to whatever length that you need. The next step is going to be to take these little roller pieces, they're really nice. On here you've actually got, it's hard to tell, but there's actually an eye, it's a flat side, and there's kind of a rounded side that has a channel in it. And we're actually going to take that rounded side that has that channel, and we're just going to go ahead and slide all these on there first before we mount this on the ceiling. Now that those are on there, the process gets really, really simple. Now all you got to do is just simply take this track, whatever shape it is that you want, and you're going to hook it in to this front piece here, and then it just locks right in the back. And if you ever need to release it, there's a pull tab that you can do it to release it. But the idea is to make this nice, straight, curved, whatever you want, and then once it's done, you can set it and forget it. Now that these are on here, you can see they flow really nice all the way across there. We're going to take all of these pins that are going to hang the curtains and simply hang each one of them on there. Then we'll stick on the curtains, and that'll be it. Now all you got to do is use these little pieces here. They've got a little ball end on them like that, so they won't catch. And you're just going to slide them up underneath, and they're going to slide right up in there like that. And then you're going to work your way across.
All right, my husband got these put up, and they were so simple to do. And these curtains slide like a dream. I love how they have these little magnet things on here to be able to hold them back. It just clips right on there. Looks really nice. If you don't want it, you don't have to use it. Close these up. We did get them a little bit longer because we're going to make a little theater room back here, but completely blackout. Now we did get the two pieces on here because we've got a really big room, but these are going to work absolutely fantastic for our little theater room. Separate a couple areas. Nice little room divider. It was easy to install.